Welcome back. HomezOnline always try to bring different style home designs in front of you. Today we are come up with a mesmerizing home tour. This beautiful home has 3 bedrooms. Let's check the interior and exterior. The exterior work is done very uniquely. Spacious porch is designed at the right side of the home. It is a flat style home design. Lanyard set up with concrete blocks. Small spaced open sit-out is designed here. A cute chair used here. Windows, doors and LED spotlights are bringing the elegant view to the sit-out. As we step inside, we are greeted by a stylishly furnished and beautifully designed sitting room. The color combination used in this area gives an attractive look and also use stylish wall decors. There is set an alluring garden area. Beautiful plants are planted here. It is giving a soothing view. Next, we are moving to the spacious hall area. Here we can see an elegantly designed dining area. Stylish table used in this area with 6 chairs. Washing area designed with black color basin, mirror and storage cabin. It also decorated with floral wall tiles. Near to this area we get a typical toilet. Moving on, we are entering the alluring family living area. All arrangements are eye-catching. Cute and comfort furniture are used here. The design of the TV unit is pretty appealing. This area is enhanced by the ceiling design. More hanging bulbs are used here. Staircase is designed in a unique and trending way. Near to this we can see an amazing indoor area. Interior design and ceiling works are done very well. Beautiful indoor plants also bring the eye-catching look. Next, we will inspect the bedroom. 2 amazing bedrooms are designed in ground floor. This is a beautiful bedroom with double cot bed and wardrobe. Large sized glass windows are used here. The color combination used in this bedroom is just amazing. Large-sized beige color wardrobe used here. This bedroom also includes a bathroom. The second bedroom is this. It is a spacious bedroom. A double cot bed, study table, wardrobe and lovely curtains are included in this bedroom. LED lights are used to decorate the ceiling. Large-sized wardrobe used here. This bedroom also has an adjacent bathroom. Next, we will inspect the kitchen. Open kitchen is designed here. This kitchen is tidy and has beautiful setups. Cabinets and wall tiling go well together. It is a spacious kitchen with all modern facilities. Premium quality racks and tiles are used here. It also includes a store area. The first floor will be checked next. The upper hall area has been brilliantly designed. Here we get a beautiful view from the dining and family living area. Third bedroom is this one. It is a nicely made bedroom and the design of cot, closet, study table and other settings are exquisite. This bedroom also has an attached bathroom. Now we completely check this stunning home design. If you like this home tour, please share your valuable comments. Thanks for watching.